One of the things we look at when it comes to altcoins, and in particular some of the meme coins out there, is whale activity. And for a while there, things were pretty dormant coming from the whale perspective, meaning very quiet across the board with things like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and Pepe and Bonk. But all of a sudden, we've seen these top meme coins, and now WIF has entered the top 100. All of a sudden, things are firing up out of nowhere. And a lot of it is driven by the whales. And I want to kind of dive into that a little bit deeper for you guys in this video. We're going to take a look at the price of both Shiba Inu and Pepe here. So make sure you stick around for all of it. And I want to go into an article about the whales, talk about one particular whale who definitely made some noise. And people watch this. There are a ton of people who are looking on chain to see what these whales are doing. And it actually is a really profitable strategy. If we can find a way to track these whales, and there are many ways that are public and just ways to do it because the blockchain's public, right? You can actually get out ahead of a lot of the moves that are literally happening in real time. So we're looking at Pepe here first because it is absolutely crushing it. It's up 9+% in the last hour here, up 39% again today, 229% in the last week. And it looked as if Pepe was cooling off, and it has just exploded here again. And this is the hourly chart on Pepe. If we take a look at the 1 day here, our trading indicator called this move a while back here on Pepe, this breakout. And it was just amazing, amazing stuff to watch here. You could see here back on February 14th, it kind of called this upward trajectory. Since that, in 17 days, we're up 219%, guys. So our XT algo is all over this. You guys can get on board with this. We've had 4 new people sign up from our live stream this morning. We had another 12 people sign up yesterday. People are absolutely loving this. Get out ahead of the next chart that breaks out and take advantage of these indicators that we have at XT Algo. This is my company, by the way, software as a service company I had built. But what's happening here, as I mentioned at the top, is a lot of whale activity. And we're seeing Shiba Inu make some moves right now. SHIB just actually broke out of some resistance here, some short-term resistance that we've seen since yesterday. This is the 4th time, and we've actually just broke through here, and we're off to the races a little bit. SHIB's trying to make a push here at the 1.5 level, and it looks like it might do it while we're sitting here. We're up 18+% today out of nowhere. And look at that. Absolutely love it. If we refresh this, here comes SHIB. Check this out, guys. Boom. Up big time here today and making a nice push. Might even get back into the 15 spot. Okay, here we go. As we speak, we might see it here on screen. Literally might happen as we're here. So what's happening here? As I mentioned, a lot of this is whale activity. Well, check this out. A Pepe whale made a huge move with $1.97 trillion deposit, 1.97 trillion token deposit to exchange and SHIB transactions. So check this out. Look on chain, great analytics platform. A Pepe whale made a series of moves that resulted in over 3 million in realized profits. So the whale then took some profits in Pepe, and what did he do? He went and jumped into SHIB. So check this out. A smart whale deposited all 1.97 trillion Pepe to Binance, made a profit of 3.49 million. Then he changed his position. This came out a couple days ago. Then he changed his position from Pepe to SHIB, withdrawing 75 billion SHIB from Binance 3 hours ago. And these whales are still at it. This is just one example. But we're seeing this capital right now flow from one top meme coin to the other. And that is what's happening, folks. People are shifting capital around. We mentioned this many times before. This is how people make a ton of money in crypto. They actively trade big amounts, and it's the whales who keep things moving. And this article out today, Shiba Inu could see a 2,100% run if this happens. This was Lucy talking about a move that could see the SHIB token make a huge, huge 2021 type run. And she said that SHIB surged by 800% in 2021 without any burns and hinted at something similar happening this year. The 800% gain Lucy referred to is way more than that, over 2,100%. Indeed, the token burns carried out so far by the SHIB community have sparked a little bit of interest, but we need more, as we've said before. SHIB can still be expected to experience more moves to the upside, even as more token burns are carried out. We're waiting to see when those automated burns will take place. That is huge. And of course, they're moving away from the meme coin moniker and going into the legitimate ecosystem. And again, it's going to be very, very interesting to see what happens here with SHIB in this next run, because it is a different situation, right? They're no longer just a meme. They're actually trying to build out utility here with Shibarium at the forefront. But we're very excited still about the upside potential here. We've been saying that, even though we've been concerned a little bit with the lackluster, performance. And really, it's been more or less the lack of information we've been getting. Even though that's still an issue, we've said all along that the upside still exists here for SHIB, and especially when all things start rising, all tides move together, and we're starting to see that happen here finally across the markets. And listen, as rough as things have been, and I've said this a lot, I still think SHIB has some tremendous upside potential. I hope that we have some more insight into the metaverse here very soon. I hope we get even more invested in the AI and gaming side of things. I think those two areas could be huge for SHIB. As for Pepe, we're exploding on the heels of it just being a meme coin still. We knew that the narrative would come back around, and we are literally getting back up to all-time highs right now on Pepe as we speak, guys. Look at that. Absolutely crazy. All-time highs 10 months ago was at the 4,354. Look where we are. We are at the 3,973. We're on the cusp of hitting all-time highs yet again on Pepe, which is crazy, crazy, crazy to think about. So make sure you guys hit the like button on your way out if you haven't already. Definitely consider subscribing to the channel. We're here every single day breaking things down, but there's no doubt about it. What's driving this right now is the whale activity. And remember, we can follow Look On Chain as I do here and take a look on chain and know when whales are bouncing into various assets like they're doing right now with SHIB, Pepe, Bonk. They are controlling the narrative. And if we can get out ahead of that, and you can learn to look on chain too and see what they're doing, you can make some big moves. And again, if you're looking to make a big move like this with Pepe from Valentine's Day to now, 200+%, this indicator flashed. It's XT Algo, guys. Sign up today, get started. XT Algo gives you simple visual indicators to help your trading become a lot easier. We've got a huge discount code. The links are down below. And by the way, you can use this for any market, whether it's crypto, stocks, Forex, commodities. You could set up your own custom alerts for anything as well using the TradingView app. I walk you through how to use this and how to get yourself rolling on this when you sign up. Right after purchase, you'll come to a step-by-step tutorial, get you all squared away, and get you trading like a shark today. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next video. Have a fantastic weekend too. We'll see you. Bye.